Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Python on Windows. First, go to the website called python.org/download/. Then you will arrive to a web page something like that. And then you can find a yellow box, rectangular box, saying download Python. And this is the version of the Python 3.9.1. Under this, download the latest version for Windows. So click on this yellow rectangular box. Then you will see the left side of your computer, the download is starting. It will take some time. Once the download is finished, you will go to your downloads folder and you can see an application called Python and then the version. And this is for the for your Windows configuration. So it's 64 bits. So now click on click on this application, then you can see run as administrator. Click on that. Then it will pop up a window and which is saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Now you will see the option for installation. Install now, which is the default installation, and customized installation. So you can custom your installation process. So whatever you want, you can do. But now I want to show the default installation process. So click on install now. So it will take some time. So it's now installing and it will take some time to finish the installation. So the installation is finished. It's showing setup was successful. So click close. So now that you have Python installed in your computer, so to check, click on the start menu of your computer and you can see the left top corner, the Python and 3.9 64 bits. So click on that and now you can see a command window for Python. So maybe I can say a little very quick how it works. Yeah. So you can see it's 2 plus 2 I write and it's giving me 4. So yeah, that's the way you can install Python on your Windows. I hope this tutorial might be helpful for you guys. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.